Repairs issues in eviction cases. Every tenant has a right to a safe home in good repair. The legalese term for this is the landlord's duty of habitability. It's the landlord's legal duty to keep every rental unit in reasonable repair. They need to fix things like no heat or hot water or electricity. Structural issues, like holes in the roof or walls that are allowing rain or rodents to enter. Broken doors and locks that cause security issues. Plumbing problems that cause flooding or mold. Sinks and toilets falling through the floor. Dangerous stairs or porches. Appliances that don't work, i.e., stove and refrigerator. So how do you protect this right to a livable home? 1. Document these issues. Take photos with a date stamp, like a smartphone. Report them to the landlord immediately in writing or text. Bring witnesses to look at the housing issues. 2. Let your landlord know. Send them a letter explaining the issue and asking for the repairs within a reasonable amount of time. Send it by certified mail or include it with your rent check. Include photos or other evidence. If they don't reply, send one follow-up. 3. Contact your local code enforcement agency to make a complaint. Municipalities should provide for complaints and inspections. In Detroit, you can complain to BSEED, the Buildings, Safety Engineering, and Environmental Department. For other places, look up the local code enforcement agency. Contact them and request an inspection. 4. Withhold your rent. This can be a risk, but it's an option if the repair issues are very serious. You need to notify the landlord, then put the money in a separate account, called an escrow account. You can also pay for the repairs and then deduct the cost from your rent. This can trigger an eviction by your landlord, so make sure the money is available to pay the rent. Rent is rarely reduced to zero, so it's really important that you don't spend that money. If you end up being evicted for not paying rent, the housing conditions may be a defense to that eviction. Try to talk to a lawyer if you end up in this situation. Contact Lakeshore Legal Aid and watch our video on when and how to hire a lawyer.